Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is another snowstorm. It is about 5:30 in the morning right now. I am back in my normal truck, thankfully. I have a wing plow on this truck that I used. And the last storm was one of our spares, and it only has a front plow on it. So if this rain actually turns to snow and we have to plow, it'll be a lot nicer having this truck. But I am about to head out to my route and put a centerline salt down everywhere just to help us fight the initial kickoff of the snow. So I'm gonna turn my lights on, turn my strobes on, turn my spreader light on. Everybody's rolling out, so I'm gonna hit this off and get on the road. I will catch back up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so I got a center line of salt down my whole route. I'm just hanging out here right now, basically waiting for this rain to switch over to salt, but it looks like we are right on the border here. So let's see, it's about to be at now. It's basically saying we're in snow, but obviously it's not snow. All right, guys, so it has snowed a little bit. There's maybe an inch or so on the ground, if that, but it seems to be tapering off. So I am gonna go through my route real quick. Alright guys, so I am just about done with my route. I'm in the last neighborhood. I do about 3 different little neighborhoods and then a couple dead ends in between. But I'm in the neighborhood that I actually started in. So I start here, go to the last one, and then I backtrack to get back here putting salt down. So it's a little slushy and I didn't salt here yet, but it's pretty much blacktop. That just goes to show how much putting a layer of salt down before we start helps. So look, this is like, the road's blacktop basically, but I'm still gonna salt it again because it is brutally cold. It's gonna be like, I don't know, 15 degrees tonight. So we don't want it to freeze and then get a call back in. And also that beeping has not stopped. It's been going the entire day. It is, I think, like 12:30 right now, 12:35 right now. So there's no lights on anymore, but it's just beeping at me. So I think it's an ABS sensor. We're gonna have to figure that out, but either way, not that big of a deal. But I am gonna get this salt down, and then look, it's still beeping. It's crazy. I'm gonna get this salt down and then head back to my shop and get this truck unloaded if I have any left in the salter. So I will catch back up with you guys when I'm at our shop. All right guys, so I just made it back to my shop. Me and Rodrigo went to lunch with my father at the local diner here, and we just got back to our shop. I just backed in the spot here. Luckily, I ran the rest of the salt out on some of our mains in the village here, so I don't have to worry about backing my truck into our salt bin and unloading the rest of it. I can just park it and get out of here. But I think that is pretty much it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below and let me know. Definitely let me know what angle you guys like the most with what I was recording. I'm gonna keep trying out different spots on the truck and figure out what's the best. I really want to get multiple angles for every video, but hopefully next time it snows I can get my dad to drive my pickup truck on top of the snow in front of me and get some video of me actually plowing from outside the truck, not somewhere on it. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment down below. If you didn't, leave a comment anyway. I hope you did though. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.